Break the cartridge seal by rotating the cap clockwise while pushing it down for 2 rotations, or until the cap rotates freely. Make sure the cap is fully pushed down. Remove the paper wrapper from the cartridge by tearing it along the perforated seam and discard it safely. Open the battery compartment of the dispenser and insert 2 AA alkaline batteries. Using the 2 ribs at the bottom of the cartridge as a guide, push the cartridge firmly into the dispenser unit until it locks into place. The cartridge is now activated. You'll know this because a green light will start flashing continuously on the base of the dispenser, and you will start smelling the fragrance close to the dispenser. After 2 minutes, the green light flashes only every 15 seconds. To eject the empty cartridge, push the button at the bottom of the dispenser. Lift the front cover and remove the empty cartridge. The dispenser must be installed as far away as possible from any air extraction units or from any open doors to prevent the fragrance from getting sucked out. It is best to position the dispenser in the middle or the end of the room or under the sink.